Medical devices are used every day in hospitals, clinics, and homes across the United States. From diagnostic tools to surgical instruments to monitoring devices and healthcare equipment. But before any medical device can legally be marketed in the U.S., manufacturers and distributors must meet strict FDA compliance requirements. These rules are enforced by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. The FDA regulates medical devices to ensure they are safe, effective, and properly tracked. This allows the government to monitor manufacturers worldwide, track devices on the U.S. market, respond to safety issues quickly, protect patients and healthcare providers. Every company involved in manufacturing, exporting, or distributing medical devices for the U.S. market must comply. One of the first requirements is Medical Device Establishment Registration. If your company manufactures medical devices, exports devices to the U.S., repackages or relabels devices, distributes devices in the U.S., you must register your establishment with the FDA every year. This tells the FDA who is responsible for each medical device on the market. Without proper registration, devices cannot legally be sold in the United States. After establishment registration comes medical device listing. This is where each medical device is reported to the FDA. Listing includes device name and type, manufacturer information, device classification, regulatory product codes. The FDA uses device listings to track what products are being sold and monitor safety risks. Every registered company must list its devices accurately. If your medical device company is located outside the United States, the FDA requires you to designate a U.S. agent. The U.S. agent acts as your official contact between your company and the FDA. They receive FDA communications, assist with inspections, respond to regulatory questions, support compliance actions. Without a U.S. agent, foreign device companies cannot legally operate in the U.S. market. Many medical device companies struggle with incorrect establishment registration, improper device listings, wrong device classifications, missing U.S. agent requirements, expired annual renewals. Even small errors can lead to FDA enforcement actions, product holds, sales disruptions, inspection risks. This is why professional compliance support is so important. That's where FDA registration assistance comes in. We specialize in helping medical device companies meet all FDA regulatory requirements accurately and efficiently. From registration to ongoing compliance, we handle it all. When you partner with FDA registration assistance, we provide medical device establishment registration, complete device listing services, U.S. agent representation for foreign companies, annual renewals and monitoring, regulatory guidance and compliance support, assistance with FDA communications. We ensure your company stays compliant without confusion or risk. With professional FDA compliance in place, your devices enter the U.S. market smoothly, regulatory risks are reduced, FDA inspections are easier to manage, buyers trust your brand, growth becomes scalable. Instead of worrying about regulations, you focus on innovation and sales. Section: Common Medical Device Questions. Do all medical device companies need FDA registration? Yes. Nearly all manufacturers, exporters, and distributors must register and list devices with the FDA. Is registration a one-time process? No. Establishment registration must be renewed every year. FDA registration assistance manages renewals for you. Do foreign device companies need a U.S. agent? Yes. The FDA requires a U.S. agent for all foreign medical device companies, which FDA registration assistance provides. What happens if I don't register or list properly? You risk FDA enforcement actions, product holds, inspections, and loss of market access. FDA compliance is the foundation of selling medical devices in the United States. Device establishment registration, device listing, And U.S. agent services are not optional. They are required by law. Done wrong, it leads to delays, penalties, and lost business. Done right, it creates smooth market access and long-term success. Let FDA registration assistants manage your medical device FDA compliance professionally, from registration to ongoing support. Stay compliant, protect your devices, grow with confidence.